Hey guys, we're back here with another video today, and today I want to show you how to get this Alcar Gold and other pistols. Now, what you need to do is, you want on all of them, it doesn't matter, you want to have high caliber and elo sight, or whatever you want, but high caliber is a must. And elo sight to me is a must too, but yeah. So, I only needed one more Bloodthirsty with this thing to get it gold, and this is my gameplay with it. And when you're trying to get the Alcar Gold headshots, the 100 headshots, you should try to play some Nuketown, the playlist, and you want to go for hardpoint, but it depends what you want. Domination, hardpoint, TDM, and you really want to flank left, get to their spawn, and go behind them for headshots and stuff like that. You want to aim for their chest because the recoil it'll go up and you'll get some headshots. Now for the 50 kills with no attachments and 50 kills with no perks, I just have the gun, nothing else. And I use that, and then when I get 50 kills I have both of them done. And then for double kills, I think you'll just get those and Bloodthirsties. Just use long barrel and elo sight. That's what I used. And for long shots, just use elo sight and long barrel. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the gameplay. It just really works. This is some pretty good gameplay, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and hit that like button, subscribe, have a good day.
Grenade! B locked down. Friendly UAV inbound. KIA. EKIA. Friendly UAV inbound. Tango down. Friendly UAV inbound. Confirming kill. Losing B.
Shot out.
Securing Alpha. Hostile down. Losing B. Prototype destroyed. Confirming kill. Losing Charlie. Losing B. Kill. Lightning strike coordinates received. Frag. Friendly UAV inbound. Losing B. Ruin KIA. Lost Bravo. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. Hostile counter UAV above. Radar is down. Hostile UAV above. Be advised, hostile care package overhead. Engineer down. Overwatch KIA.
Infantry killed.
Be advised. Hostile AT spotted.
He's dead.
Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming.
Infantry down. Prophet requesting eyes on enemy positions.
Shut out.
Frag incoming.
UAV energy levels at 50%.
Grenade. Smoke.
UAV departing hill.
That's a kill.
Friendly Hellstorm inbound. UAV inbound.
Outrider down.
UAV inbound. The round's nearly over. Try to repeat yourselves. Securing Bravo. Care package inbound.
Reaper neutralized.
Hellstorm inbound.
Mechanical down.
Friendly counter UAV inbound. Securing B.